What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. You can see all of our new inventory as we get in every week, and you can watch me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. Please subscribe today. We'll see you then. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a nice Camaro up for sale today. Come on, 396 big block, 4-speed manual transmission. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of the vehicle, guys. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We offer financing. Credit score as little as 620 or above, and we ship everywhere in the US. We also can export many countries overseas if you want to take this puppy out of the US. Guys, if you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button so you can see all of our new inventory in as we get it every single day. Plus, you can follow my journey as I go out and buy classic cars with my son Chris. We're a small family business, guys. Appreciate you checking out our page. Subscribe to see our cars. All right, guys, let's get started. 1968 Chevy Camaro. This has got a big block 396. It's got some work done to the engine. It's got a cam in it. It runs real strong, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Non-power steering car. This thing is clean undercarriage. No rot on this car, no rust. Overall, it's in really good shape. We're gonna do a full condition report for you. Let's get started with the condition. We'll go ahead and start with the passenger side fender, kind of do our normal paint test. And the paint, as you can see my reflection. It's not super strong, but it is white paint with, you know, some sun shining on it. You can definitely see our reflection in it. You can see on that side, the car over there. I would say this paint is probably 7 out of 10, maybe a 7.5. It looks like it was restored at some point, probably 10 years, I'm gonna say. It's not a new paint job. It looks, I don't know, 10, 15 years old. The paint looks good. It's not perfect, but it looks good. Tires pretty much brand new. You got radials on them. You got the rally wheels. It's clean. Tires are in good shape. No rot, no rust over there up in the wheel wells. I don't see any flaws except for like a little chip right there, but that's about it. Maybe a little scratch right there. Top of the fender looks good. The glass all looks good as well. Going up top of the vehicle looks good. I don't see any flaws there. The door looks good. Got a little flaw right there, a little bubble right there, small. The body line looks good. Biggest flaw of the vehicle is going to be this quarter here. This quarter's got a little bit in the paint. You can see here and you can see here. It's a little rough. It needs a good wet sanding. Minor little bit. This side looks good. I don't see any body work or Bondo or anything that was done on it here. That's the biggest flaw of the whole car. Just the imperfection in the paint on this side. Tires in good shape. Wheels in good shape. Rear quarter looks good. Trunk lid sits real nice. Gaps are pretty good on it. It definitely looks good. And guys, I like the body lines on this car. They're nice. I mean, I don't see any really flaws with the lines. Car's straight as an arrow. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's pretty good. Bezels, I would say, are a little old, showing their age, and so is the back bumper. This quarter's perfect. No flaws. Up on top it's good. Down at the bottom it's good. Up here as well. Back window. Trim is nice. Again, tires close to new. Wheels are in good shape. Little chip right there. Little scuff right there. And another little scuff there. Oh, a little chip. Looks good. Door looks good. Got a little flaw here in the door and a little bubble there. Moving on to this fender, got a little chip there. But that all looks good. Again, wheels, tires, good. Looks like a little scuff there. And you got a little paint here starting to peel. Hood looks good. See how it sits. Hood doesn't sit bad at all. It's a little high up in that corner over there. You can see right here. This does not look like the original hood. But it's clean. Going on to here. Front of the car looks good. I don't see any visible flaws. Maybe this little bit here. A little bit here. But overall, I think this car is at least a 7.5 out of 10. It's a nice car. It looks good. Looks good when you get up on close to it. A couple little flaws in the paint on that side. You can see a little bit here too. But that's going to be the main right here. Besides that, the car's pretty good. So we'll give it our door test. We'll try both doors. We didn't do that earlier. Opens up good. Light close, and it closes right away. That's good. Usually the Chevys, the doors don't shut great on them. 7 out of 10 Chevys do not shut good on the older cars unless they're show cars. And this, both were light, you know, closing it, and it shut really good. Let's go ahead and grab our light. We'll go under it. The underneath is awesome. Look at that. It is so clean under there. Good thing about this car, the guy redid the suspension. He did a bunch of motor work to it. Mechanically, this thing is sound. It's a great driver. And that's what this car is. This is a driver and a looker. Not a show car, but a perfect car to boogie. One thing I will say, it's not a true SS. If it was, it'd be a lot more expensive. But according to the cal tag, it's not. The undercarriage is good, clean. Look at that. It's just so clean under there. Take a look underneath. The hood. And she's beautiful underneath. Tag there. MSD ignition. All that looks new or replaced. It's fast and loud, guys. I will say that. You also got these gauges here. Onto the inside. This is nice, clean. Carpet's nice. Headliner's nice. Other seat is nice. Dash pad is nice. You got your RPM gauge here. I mean, overall, this car is clean inside. This car don't need much. It needs a new owner. That's what it needs. thing's a beast, guys. Absolute beast. Horn works. See if the lights work. Lights work. Turn signals work. Guys, up for sale now at BobEvansClassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website. This is a clean big block, 4-speed. It checks all the boxes. Not perfect, but it's a driver, guys. If you're interested, please let me know. Give us a call or give us a DM. Google us, Bob Evans Classics. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. God bless the USA. Let's go.